The Akko Monsgeek Fun60 presents itself as a compact, high-performance mechanical keyboard. As a 60% form factor device, it is engineered for users who prioritize a streamlined desktop while demanding advanced input capabilities, particularly within a gaming context. At its core, this model utilizes magnetic switch technology, a distinct departure from traditional mechanical designs, which enables features like rapid trigger. This allows for exceptionally quick actuation and reset points, crucial for responsive gameplay. Further enhancing its performance profile is the advertised 0.01mm precision, suggesting a highly granular level of control over key actuation, alongside an 8K polling rate for near-instantaneous data transmission to the system. Aesthetic considerations are addressed through RGB lighting, providing customizable visual feedback and personalization options. Additionally, advanced functionalities like key/TMR are integrated, indicating a focus on detailed magnetic switch tuning and response. Given its feature set, the Akko Monsgeek Fun60 is primarily positioned for competitive gaming scenarios where every millisecond and precise input matters. The 60% layout makes it ideal for setups with limited desk space or for users who frequently transport their peripherals. Its custom keyboard designation, combined with the advanced magnetic switch technology, also appeals to enthusiasts who seek to fine-tune their input experience beyond standard offerings, tailoring the keyboard's behavior to specific games or personal preferences. In terms of design, the 60% form factor is inherently minimalist, freeing up considerable desk space for mouse movement. The integration of RGB lighting allows for a dynamic visual presentation, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Usability is central to the magnetic switch design, offering a distinct feel and the ability to adjust actuation with extreme precision, potentially improving reaction times and reducing input errors. While not explicitly stated, the advanced engineering implied by features like 0.01mm precision and 8K polling suggests a focus on consistent and reliable high-performance operation, crucial for demanding,